Hey guys, this is Moller from Moller Smokers, and today I'm gonna give you a full rundown on this badass Tanker 1000 that's going to the Appalachian Barbecue Burger in Germany. Welcome to Building Smokers in Europe, a series where I take you with me on the journey of building my brand, Moller Smokers, from the ground up. Step behind the scenes as I design, build, and refine the most authentic Texas-style barbecue pits in Europe. This is my daily life at the shop, unfiltered. And here it is, folks, the full metal jacket Tanker 1000, 264 gallons. Let's do a rundown on it. On the back end, we got a full hex, 8mm thick, custom-built firebox. This thing holds heat like a dream. It's seriously oversized for what it has to do, but that's the way I do things. The door is reinforced, got heavy duty hinges, oversized air intake, and your standard latch that you can also use as a stop if you need some extra airflow. Moving down to the chamber, you got your double doors, custom built hinges, steel handles, and we got a slide out top rack and a removable bottom grates. Same deal on the second door, slide out top rack, removable bottom grates. Got this custom star logo and not one but two 3-inch tell-through gauges. We got D-ring tie downs on all four corners and a fold down stack. To lift it up, you just screw it up from the body and use this handle. It's pretty heavy to do single-handed, but yeah, there we got it. Heavy duty hinge again, and a locking thread. Here you got your stack damper control, which has a stop right there so it doesn't go over, and the stack is 6 inches and seriously oversized. Here we got my disruptor design. This thing makes the whole chamber even, back to front, side to side, top to bottom. If you want to know more about this, check out part 3 of the build series. This one it's absolutely even. The same as the bottom. Everything looks perfect on the bottom. No hot spots on the back. Yeah, even color all the way. Here next to the throat, nothing's burned. On the back we got the serial number. We've got 165/80 on a 13-inch rim tires, which comes standard on the off-road kit. Got a swivel axle on the front with a spring-loaded handle, heavy-duty hinges all the way around, and two 1-inch ball valves for grease draining. This is the equivalent of your standard 250-gallon American tank, but a little bit bigger. It's 264, and everything on it is seriously oversized, because that's how we do things at Moller Smokers. That's it for today, folks. I'm very happy to announce that I'm going to start a big project soon. It's a 630-gallon custom built on a double axle trailer for Will's Barbecue, also in Germany, so stay tuned for that. And if you like this kind of content, you know the drill. Subscribe, leave a comment, and ask any questions you want. I'll see you in the next one.